Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I am especially chipper this morning. 70 degrees in New York. I have not had good weather in months and months and months because it's been winter. And yesterday was so lovely. Today is so lovely again. I'm just soaking it all in. We had daylight savings, so it's been brighter later. It's just crazy how big of like a mood shift it can create. Just having some sunshine and warmth. I think it is gonna get cold again. Like, we're just experiencing false spring, but it's fine. Like, it's not gonna be for much longer. We had these couple days where it was just lovely out. I feel like this is gonna help us hold on until it's actually spring. Today, honestly, my schedule is not too busy. I have a meeting like later in the afternoon, and then I'm going to drinks with my home friends. We wanted to just like soak up the nice weather and have a drink outside. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube, guys. Just editing my last video, which is up by now. So go watch it if you haven't. It's reminding me how fun it is to just have like somewhere that you can talk long form. So yeah, I talk in like almost all my TikToks, but it's not as much of a conversation, you know? Make the most delicious salted honey latte. So if you guys want the recipe, let me know, I'll tell you. Oh, it's so good. Some of you guys may have seen on TikTok, I've been doing an apartment renovating series. I have lived in this apartment almost 4 years now. I was sick of like everything we had in here. In today's episode, we are switching up the sheets. Just had a white duvet cover this entire time, and I thought it would be fun to do something different. I got these like dark sheets and a gingham duvet cover. They're both from Quince, or like the linen from Quince. I've heard good things, but I'll let you guys know once I like fully test them out, how I like them. And I'm adding some sconces on either side of this like swan art. I thought it would look cute since we have like similar lamps over there. I think I'm gonna do the bed first though. Can't decide how I'm gonna feel about these sheets. Some behind and then the dark in front. Kind of break it up a little. Or this. I don't know, guys. You tell me what looks best and then we can fix it. I've spent so much more time inside than I thought today. Did the bed and the sconces, cleaned up around the apartment, worked on my deck for my call I have later, and now I'm doing thank you notes for my wedding. I have yet to finish these. I did like a bunch around Christmas and then didn't finish. Now the stamps that I have are Christmas stamps, which is really embarrassing. To the people who are getting the Christmas stamps now in March, I'm sorry, but I don't feel like going out and buying new stamps when those are perfectly good. I'm gonna do a couple of these, then I'm gonna finally go outside and grab a coffee with the girls. We're gonna go to Les Gaz, I think. My favorite part of doing the thank yous though is using my stamp. Well, I guess I can't show you because it has my address on it, but it says our last name and our address, and so fun. Okay, I'm with Dee. We got our matchas. Hi. All the other girls ditched because they are too busy.
What happened was Bridget was too busy, and Sierra could not attend if Bridget wasn't here.
So yeah, we're getting I actually haven't even tried this yet. We got the matcha with the like salted cold foam that we usually get in the coffee.
You haven't tried it yet?
No.
It's bad.
Ooh.
It's not as sweet as usual, but it's really good. It's like honestly the perfect pick-me-up.
No, this is a great matcha, I think.
It's just such a beautiful day, you guys.
Yeah, I'm glad we finally got out.
I yelled at everyone and told them that they can do their work when it's not this nice out.
We're walking home. This place is like a bit far from us, so it was nice. We got a bit of a walk-in. Okay guys, I'm back home. I've changed for happy hour. We're wearing these Citizens of Humanity jeans, little cheetah shoes, and then my Fifi wrap. And we're going to meet the girls for our first Aperol spritz, even though I'll probably get a Hugo spritz outdoors for the season.
Hi, vlog. Hi.
Whoa. Look at those nails. Oh my god, my sister! We just ran into her in the street. Aww.
Wait, I was like, is this real life? Am I actually seeing Dana?
Guys, really not sure how I'm awake right now. had the worst night's sleep ever. I was tossing and turning all night. I literally had to go sleep on my couch because I just couldn't get comfortable in my bed. Couch was a little better, but like still, I feel like I've slept like 15 minutes the entire night. Now it's 7 a.m. The sun hasn't even completely risen, and I'm going to Tracy. I don't know how I made it here. Sending prayers for myself I can get through this class. We've had a hard morning of working. I had a lot of admin to get done, like emails. Yeah, it's not up yet. And I had a meeting, I had to prep for the meeting, yada yada. But now we're out with the girls. Obviously, this is what we do every day once the weather gets warm. And we're soaking it up because it's gonna get cold again. Walking the streets. We're gonna do some shopping, I think. The new MacBooks are out today. Pink, but the pink doesn't give as much pink. The yellow is so cute. I bought some headphones. Okay guys, I stopped at Meadow Lane on my way home. Sorry, it's definitely loud. Oh, because my window's open. I got some tendies, the peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. I tried the tiramisu one and I loved the top, but I didn't like the oats part. It was like too Greek yogurty. This one on the ingredients says it's not mixed with Greek yogurt, so hopefully there's a little bit different of a taste. And then I also got Grandma's Secret meatballs, which I have not tried. I am not gonna eat the whole thing because we are having our friend over tonight watch Survivor. If you're a Survivor fan, Survivor 50, it's just so good. I was never a Survivor watcher like growing up, and then I got into it. I don't even remember how, but I spent like a year catching up. I watched like literally every season. That was so fun, like being caught up and watching, especially 50. Oh, their pork. Interesting. I could taste that it was not beef. I don't love pork, to be honest, but the sauce is really good. But anyways, I was saying I don't want to eat too much because having our friend over tonight to watch Survivor. Oh, it's also the Love is Blind reunion. Dang. It is loaded in the tenders today. These are seriously, I think, like the best chicken tenders I've ever had, and I'm obsessed with this honey mustard. The tenders are just like very crispy. So good and like flat, which I love as a chicken. Like I get chicken ick really quickly, so a flat chicken tender is perfect for me. I keep losing my train of thought. We're watching Survivor 50 with our friend and we're ordering dinner. I guess like I could just eat this, but we are ordering something as a group. And I figured I'd just get these to have a little now. And they're still good if you put them in the fridge. And I can save them for later. But I will say, guys, fresh ones are significantly better than the ones in like the fridge section that you could buy and like store in your fridge. Reheat. Fresh ones are just like so crispy delicious.
Dude, it is.
Hello, you guys. Oh my gosh, wait. I'm realizing, is this gonna record me in my new headphones? I just got wired headphones yesterday. I'm walking to Bridget's. We'll do a little co-working session and get some work done. Sierra brought us all matcha's blackberry pie. Where's this from?
Rhythm Zero.
Rhythm Zero. It's giving nitro bar. Oh yeah.
How good?
It's really good. Tastes familiar, but I can't put my finger on it.
We can apple pie. Well, a blueberry pie.
I think birthday cakey vibes.
So trust me, it doesn't.
I got the birthday cake. You're right. Yep. We're hard at work. Look at the ladies. Hard at work. Except before I get to hard at work, I want to try Bridget's vibration plate. Never.
You're gonna get a cramp since you just ate and drank.
Oh. This is so scary. How long does it go for?
10 minutes and then it shuts off.
What the fuck? You just staying here for 10 minutes?
Yeah.
You guys want to jump on a call and go through the contract and leave the notes? I can.
That's the snow.
The fuck? It was literally 80 degrees yesterday.
So mean. We've had a really productive co-working sesh, but now I need to go home. I gotta get ready. We're going to dinner tonight. Okay, thanks. We're just slapping my phone. We're going to dinner tonight with Drew's coworker and his wife. Okay, so guys, if you don't know Drew, his name is Drew Paul, my hubby, and his best friends at work are named Paul and Drew.
No,
so there's the three of them. One Paul, one Drew, and one Drew Paul.
It's not real.
Yeah, so we're going to dinner with Paul tonight. Guys, so hard in the landscape view, but this is my outfit. Quickly gotten changed and ready. We have little leather shorts, all black, kind of Western-esque moment. And Drew's rushing me out because he called the Uber. Good morning, you guys. I am a little bit on the struggle bus this morning, trying to get myself together. I made myself a coffee, delicious. I got dressed, I showered, and now I'm gonna go walk to Danielle's and we're gonna go to Apple because I wanna buy a new laptop. I wanna buy the yellow, either the yellow or the pink of the new like Neo laptop. I haven't had a laptop since I left my corporate job because I was just using that computer. I do have one, but it's from 2012 or like 2011. It's really old. It does not work without a charger, which is not really ideal because I can't like bring it anywhere. I think Sierra's coming and she's gonna buy a laptop too. After that, we're gonna go to Zara because another thing I realized yesterday, I don't have a single going out top. I have a lot of like lounge tops for during the day because that's what I usually wear, or like more like conservative tops, sweaters, whatever. I have a bunch of those, but I don't have any good going out tops. Hoping Zara has some good things for us today. I haven't been in a while. Okay, we're at Apple. Here's the yellow. Honestly, I feel like it doesn't even show up as yellow on camera, but it's like a really cute color. It's just like, I don't know, guys. I also really like the blue, but I think the yellow is calling to me. We did it. Cece got one too. So actually, it'll be a surprise. You'll see in a moment what I ended up getting.
It's a good one.
Yeah. Now we're going to Zara. I'm back home. I got chopped. I am like still on the struggle bus and I'm supposed to go to a Summer Fridays event which I really don't want to skip. If it was any other brand, I would skip right now, but I love Summer Fridays. Luckily, it's not too far from my apartment. I just don't want to put makeup on, but I guess I must. I'm gonna put makeup on, eat the salad, put makeup on, unbox my laptop, and then go to the event. It's time. Guys. Oh, I love the background. She's stunning. I feel like it does not translate as like citrusy color as it is in person on camera, but it is too cute. I might wait to set it up until I get back from the other event. It's kind of soon and I gotta get dressed. Good morning, guys. I just trekked through Tribeca to get pop-up bagels and some coffees for me and Drew. Drew did not come. And I had a big mishap in Toby's. I spilled his whole coffee. It's really chaotic in there over the weekends, and when I went in, it wasn't. So I thought it'd be fine, and it got like really crowded and crazy. So we're just enjoying our breakfast, and we're watching this new show called Age of Attraction on Netflix. It's like Love is Blind, but you don't know people's ages. I think we're gonna have a couple people over because we have a birthday party we're going to today. We're doing like the pizza trolley around Brooklyn. We're having Drew's friends over. He made a cute little setup. This is all Drew's doing. Really sweet. Except he got the worst snacks. Doritos.
What are you talking about? Pretzels and Doritos is as standard as it gets.
But look how cute this is. We got this for my manager as a wedding gift. It matches our little bowls too.
Shout out Jess.
Shout out Jess. She's a queen. now the end of the day, Sunday. We're at Bridget's. We're having a little Oscars watch party with everyone. The pizza trolley, we haven't connected since then. The pizza trolley from yesterday that I did, it was really fun actually. I started to get car sick by the end, but the first parts were really fun. The Industry was my favorite pizza of where we went. It was definitely a good, hi Kenzie. It was definitely a good birthday party idea. But we're ending our week with our friends. We're all just gonna chill and hang. And we'll see you in the next vlog.